Do you know that exposure to intense ultraviolet radiation can sometimes cause sunburns in less than 15 minutes? Common precautions that people take don't help the slightest because UV rays can penetrate most objects. With a temperature of about 5800 Kelvin, the sun spews out a barrage of intense rays that are so harmful they cause premature aging, wrinkles, and even skin cancer. There are two types of UV radiation that can affect us, UVA and UVB. Even thick cloudy conditions don't offer much protection as these rays can penetrate them.
One can be affected sitting inside the house as the UV rays can be reflected from various objects like glass buildings, pavements and huge water bodies.
At Galaxy, we have plunged into years of dedicated research to find unique competencies in UV filters and skincare actives to protect the skin from UV radiations. Finally, our team of scientists made a breakthrough that will change the way we protect people in daycare and beach care. Galaxy presents GalShield UV Care.
A unique chassis of multiple UV filter that block both UVA and UVB rays and provide broad spectrum protection with critical wavelength 370 nanometer and provide photo stability in just one product.
Highlights of GalShield are:
with addition of every 1% GalShield UV Care, formulation gives 2 SPF in it. 1/3 of SPF is UVA protection factor. It provides a broad spectrum protection with critical wavelength of 370 nanometers. It is a low viscous fluid at low temperature and is compatible with cold process formulation.
We offer in vitro SPF measurement and formulation development support to every single customer of ours globally.
Product development support from Galaxy has helped us to fast track our go-to-market strategy with premium products in sunscreens.
This is aligned to our philosophy of going the extra mile for our customers. That's Galaxy.